About yo. Yeah, guys. So we will do this thing well. Let's see, share screen. So for this one, we'll be having our monthly normal analysis. For this one, there's really something I want to show you about BTC, about the crypto industry entirely. Let me come to the charts. Zoom, 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 zoom. So we are done with a month. Honestly, I really got to admit this thing. I am really, really, really looking at the downside movement. Although it's expected, but I wasn't really expecting it to be this soon. I mean, I have a 5 to 6 month parole of the May parole. Well, who knows? It might still go that way. The fuck knows. Divine now, there's no need to be over trying to. It's not even. It's just a fact. I'm not speculating anything in this world. I mean, we are in a downtrend. It is very obvious now. On a monthly scale, weekly scale, even daily scale, you will see this charts, this fall here. So the whole question is, how far are we going to fall? Where is Bitcoin to? Honestly, I have no fucking clue. I have absolutely no idea where we are heading to, because, but let's just see if the resistance is going to hold our support. If it holds our support, BTC has the potential of rising. If it doesn't, oh my god, probably yeah. I mean, we've broken the trend line already, so we are just looking at all these ones. Probably this level here. Let's see, that is on a monthly scale, or this trend line, or this one. So it depends on how everything is going to play out, but I don't price movement or whatever. But right now, let's just see how February might end up being. Let's come on a weekly time frame to get another perspective. So majority of the analysis we'll be dealing with today will be majorly focusing on BTC. I mean, that is the old grandfather of all crypto. And this is not my first time saying it. This is not the second. This will not be my third. And this will definitely not be my last. That whatever goes on with BTC affects the rest of the fucking industry. So let's come here. So on a weekly perspective, we are in a range structure. That is something that I would love to play out. Although there are lots on the full screen, right? And you see, we are in a range structure, or we have a speculative motive of a range structure. So with the whole monthly motive that we saw that the downside movement is high, there should be a break. Like obviously it should happen, but it might not happen. Who knows? Fuck knows. Nobody can break this area of what 76, right? To break this area of 76,000, yes. Because we are dealing with monthly, they are seeing it as little spaces, but these are trades that can actually create a major turnaround. But let me just give a monthly breakdown. So I have a price target to 69k and another one which can actually change over time. It depends. I am not guaranteeing it, but that is where I have seen BTC edging due to the previous price movement of it. Let me even add another thing. So let's now come and formulate this one from this I. Where the fuck are you? Right there. I really get What the fuck just happened? I gotta give credit to this thing. The person that even told me this trend line thing, although it was just a YouTube video, and I really like the idea and I love the system, so I adopted it to my own edge or as a edge for myself, which is free trades. I mean, that's where I got the whole trend line system from. No, not as if I didn't know about trend line, but I just got the whole idea that it's really amazing. Yeah. So the idea or the objective from this trend line is we have this monthly since the support trend line has been broken. Where are you? Where are you? Let me close this one for now. So let's see. We want to see a maintenance below this black trend line there this week showing in all time frames. I need you showing showing on all time frames. Good. So we need this close. If there's a close above this one, as long as prices stays below this, the bear trend so now we've gotten a bear one, and let's just see. Never these things will soon start deleting, but for now, I don't think I need to be deleting them. Let's come and see is that we're done on a weekly set. No months. Wait, is this thing showing? Please tell me as it's showing. Oh, I beg you. Okay. Yeah, Jesus is Lord. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Please tell me. Ah, my God. The video was not showing. That's how now. How the fuck is this happening to me? Come on. Ah, did I do everything? Lord of Jesus. Are you fucking whining? Jesus is Lord. Ah, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ bá? Una no whine me abeg now. On a monthly, let me quickly do a brief recap. Let me see if this one connecting back. Okay. Let's come back. 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 Let's come back to this. Let's come back to this. Let's do this again. Share screen. Go. Share screen. Go. Oh, share never. Share screen. Go now. Come on. Okay, sharing. A brief recap of what happened on the monthly. So there's a possibility that prices may have a little bit rejection from there, from this level of support. It's a previous resistance area. Now let's see if this that's not my objective. My objective is just to phantom or try to gain a little bit insight or share some insights of February. February is going to be an interesting month, honestly speaking. But let's see. Come on, that's all of me now. So on a weekly note, since this is the weekly, a brief recap for the weekly. I drew this trend line. Let me just break it here. Come on, show. So this is the range structure right here. Community range broke out, came back. Now we are in the range. There is no guarantee that we are going to. As long as there's a maintenance below here, making this new rooftop. Oh my days. Prices, we'll see. Let me just draw the thing down in case the team players are going the team player. This is where this is taking me to. Although, don't get me wrong, this is still a speculation to the last trend line. You see, the last one. So it's not really a bad thing. That's another. Hey, what the fuck did you go to? So let me showcase another one on a monthly. So on a monthly, if you're looking at the general trend, yes, we agree that BTC is going on an upward move, but the fact is this: the fact remains the same, that BTC is ranging between two important levels of support and resistance while it continues the upward move. And any break between those two levels, which is this and this, any break between those two levels, whether it's a downside break, I don't want to pay for the downside break, but if the downside break happens, oh my god, the probability of BTC going down to 20, 40 is high. It is high. It is high. Most especially this. And when I mean a break, I mean a break and a maintenance, not a subtle break and a retracement. A full break and this level here that is supposed to be support becomes resistance. Oh my days. BTC will struggle. It will struggle together because that would be a significant area of interest, honestly speaking. But like I said, and like I always say, all these things are just speculation. We really cannot phantom whatever they well until more data sets have been added to the chart. Rather, but until data sets have been added to the chart. So let's come and see what is going on weekly. Target 69, another one 61. Another one in showcase this day on a weekly, although I don't really like phantoming the moving average, the 200 moving average on a weekly because it takes a lot of data set before this one can be broken. I like the daily one, and the daily is already giving me the bear chain. It has given bear chain since how long, sir? But this weekly is still giving blue, but I don't want to dwell so much on the weekly. The daily and the 4 are my really time frames I work because weekly is just once. Monthly is the one the most, the one that is really more scarce. Let me see. You said price kill. Come on, showcase yourself. You said price kill. So on the daily, this is what we have. Don't forget what we've structured in from the weekly that we are ranging between here and here as a total market structure. But there's the formulation of a bear trend, which is what we are still anticipating and formulating. So what do we have on the daily? Yes, this downward movement now. Got a break of this one. Yeah. It's another move. Now the question is this going to be the end? This today only because this is a small price movement. This is really a small price movement. And anyway, the day has not ended now. It might be a no volume, but guys, I've been building this momentum talk from the very beginning that this level might not see the retracement might happen. I am seeing the whole thing, but let me continue. I am seeing the whole thing because this is a small price movement. I'm looking at the rest. Small price movement. Monday, like I said, there might be a little retracements for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know when, but Monday I have another small body or a book close, probably an engulfing that will engulf this one. Who knows that what that's going to be? But one thing for fact is probably might have a retracement to this place to test this broken trend line that I talked about on the weekly perspective. Let me touch the trend line, not the other ones. To touch this broken trend line, yes, this one here, to touch this one, then probably a retest from there will now have the looking at the RSI and everything. Prices are actually at the low resistance area. See, so we might see some little bullish pressure to at least keep prices probably come to about 50 or something. Then let's just see. All these are just speculations. I beg go. Nobody should please come and be telling me that I'm giving market validity, but I'm just giving. Now it should play out. So coming to the 4 hour. Wait, I've already showcased everything on the daily. Wait, this is well, the daily file. Let me draw the daily trend line to keep me there. From here, where is the fucking eye? From here, as an eye right there. Hey, let's uh, it do you too. Don't worry, commercially. Yeah, resistance right there. But many of these lines, I need to start deleting them. I need to start because they are not really okay. So that's what we got. Oh, let's see what we got. 1, 2. Let's just keep it going. So I would really love to draw a Fibonacci for a year, but I've not gotten the confirmation yet that this will do. Probably I'll draw it on the 4-hour sets because that is the chart I'll be working with. Next. So we've got that going on. This is how to reset price scale. Like no disturb. Yeah, reset price scale. So here we go. Exactly, Mesty. This circle, our area of interest. This circle right here. My days. It's our area of interest. This circle. You can see the circle. I don't want to touch it because it will be showing you that this circle is still our area of interest. Let me put this because we have this resistance, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, so just a lot of resistance there. So we should start seeing good developments around this level, but we can't really see. I mean, looking at the RSI, it's phantoming with the daily one. But who the fuck knows? There shouldn't be enough volume to keep prices from going below. There shouldn't be. There shouldn't be. I mean, there shouldn't be rather. Well, who the fuck knows? Who knows? So where's the Fibonacci I want to do? Fibonacci. Is that Fibonacci? Yeah, that is it. Yes. To this low right there. So we have this 50-degree 1 year or these levels. But anything happening from here, like that. Let's just see how everything will play out. That is the retracement I'm expecting. Let me close this eye. Close this. Oh my days. So I'm really trying to phantom in another new system. I want to add to my head. So basically, if people are trying to like wonder how I view or why I view or what makes me view, so the thing is this: I have made videos countless talking about how important your trading system needs to align with your personality. So I am open to learning. I'm open to experience to see other systems out there. But the whole reality is this, I am not open to adopting every system. I mean, I don't use the concept of block of structure here because I don't understand it. I don't probably this whole movement is a block of structure, whatever point block or whatever you want to give it. I don't understand it, so I don't bother adopting it. Systems has to do with indicator trend lines and powers of what and this and that's all. The rest you're just seeing on the old charts are just probably price target or something. So I love the way my charts are designed. There's this analogy that whatever about the old charts being probably let's say is a bias for beginners or whatever. Oh, that is not what I'm trying to showcase itself. So let's just see. If you can get a book close here. I don't know, I'm out of the trade. Honestly, I got out yesterday by this level here. No, he didn't actually get me out. I got out myself. Thought this was going to be like a new major general. Just wanted to see this whole downward method. But let's just leave it. At least the bull should start getting. I don't use the 30 minutes available, but until you see a 4-hour close, I'm not really showcasing nice profitable targets. Let's see, probably entry here. It's not nice. Stop loss for this one should be below here. not to the end there. See, it's not attractive, so don't waste your time. But the reality is this: a fascinating bull trade, because this is my target already for any whatever bull trade that might eventually come along from Monday to Wednesday, whatever day it is. For any regular or relevant bull trade that might eventually, that is my target area right there. The target area is 85. Anything outside 85, I'm not interested. Anything above probably here as an entry point, I'm never interested. Let's just see how who we're gonna be. So that should be all. And see, there's probably once a month to be doing long videos like this. Like I said, my trading analysis or my video analysis will be totally different this period. So that is all. Let me show you Ethereum. Since we've understood how everything is going to be for BTC, so Ethereum should be showcasing itself that way. But the Ethereum draw the Fibonacci, the order from this high right here. Yes, being slower here. Yes. Good. TM has even broken the trend line. So I said, this is the one out, second out. Let's just leave it. Very soon I'll still delete this thing. Let me see. This is times 8. Jesus is Lord. I'm not trying to test new systems. In fact, not as if I go 8 times 8 from this move. I'm going to be looking, but the possibility that I could have actually made it times 8 if the whole thing happened that way. But different entries, different. Well, let's leave it that way. And let's see how it's going to be in the next video. Oh my days, this is not supposed to happen. Well, let me just end it like that. Everywhere's in dark already. It's taking the light far. Not supposed to be. Not supposed to be. Well, let me on porch first. But let me just end it. Yeah. Where are you? Yes. End that one first. Then, where are the rest? Come on. Focus yourself. Come on, one more. Stop sharing screen. Yes. And the next one.